Happy Sunday, everyone. So in today's video, we are going to talk about what does a bookkeeper do? So first off, welcome. And a quick introduction. My name is Luis Martinez, and I help cannabis business owners reduce their tax liabilities and become audit ready. And today, we're going to cover the history of bookkeeping, what does a bookkeeper do, and the benefits of bookkeeping. So what is a bookkeeper? A bookkeeper is a professional who helps businesses and other organizations keep their finances in order. So a little history about bookkeeping is bookkeeping and accounting are some of the oldest professions in history. Bookkeeping may be traced all the way back into ancient Italy, thanks to Luca Pastanoli, the father of accounting. And he was the one who really introduced various methods of accounting, which are prevalent today. So many might have heard about, cash accounting or accrual accounting, to name a few. In 1494, Pasanoli published the Summa de Armata Grammatica. And so effectively, he introduced double entry bookkeeping and accounting to the world. Today, many use Pasolini's core bookkeeping and accounting principles to streamline their business finances. So what does a bookkeeper do? In the broad sense, bookkeepers help businesses keep their finances intact by keeping tabs on different accounts, transactions, and reports. They organize, collect, and store the business's financial records, including cash flow statements, bank reconciliations, and loss statements. Bookkeepers make it possible for business owners and accountants to build budgets, identify trends, and build for the future. Let's look at an example of what bookkeepers do. As a business owner, one of your primary responsibilities could be keeping tabs on your product inventory and restocking it when needed. When you order inventory, your bookkeeper collects the receipt, enters the transaction into the general ledger, and files a record into your financial database. Likewise, bookkeepers also help businesses keep track of their accounts receivable. Let's say you are an HVAC company, serviced a customer's air conditioning system recently. Your bookkeeper may help you generate the invoice, collect a payment, enter the transaction to the general ledger, and document the paid invoice. Every business is different. How your business operates is unique. So your bookkeeping should follow suit. Great bookkeeping is a financial tool you can use to make business management easier and reach your goals as a small business owner. So what do bookkeepers do on a daily basis? Let's take a look at some of the typical responsibilities of a bookkeeper, right? So one of the responsibilities include complete data entry and collect transaction details for incoming and outgoing accounts. Use bookkeeping software, spreadsheets, and other databases to post up-to-date financial transactions. Track debits, incoming dollars, credits, outgoing dollars for each account. Generate financial reports such as balance sheets and income statements. Maintain and monitor financial reports and records for accuracy. Reconcile or report any discrepancy in financial reports. Produce or pay invoices for credit card bills and inventory orders, complete payroll, and sometimes file tax returns. So there are three main types of bookkeeping. Um, at this point, you should be able to confidently answer, what does a bookkeeper do? You could also list their primary job duties and recognize the benefits of bookkeeping. If you're thinking about hiring a bookkeeper, you want to improve your business bookkeeping operations, consider your following, consider your bookkeeping options. So there is do it yourself. As a dedicated business owner, you may want to oversee daily operations. For this reason, many business owners decide to take on bookkeeping tasks. If you have a knack for numbers and organization, this option might work for you. However, if you decide to do your own bookkeeping, it's important to consider the time-consuming tasks and how they might take away time from other responsibilities. You could also hire an in-house professional. If you'd rather let a professional handle your bookkeeping, consider hiring a bookkeeper in-house. Depending on your needs and your budget, you could hire someone part-time, full-time, or on a contract. Hiring a bookkeeper can help you free up some of your time, but it tends to be one of the most expensive avenues for small business owners. Remote or virtual bookkeeper. Maybe you'd rather leave the number crunching and reporting to the experts. Hire a remote or virtual bookkeeper may strike the perfect balance for your bookkeeping needs. From tax filing help to monthly reports and more, our experts at Martinez Financial are here to help. Benefits of bookkeepers and bookkeeping. So you know what a bookkeeper does and what they do day-to-day responsibilities look like, but how do these job duties translate as benefits for your business? Great bookkeeping goes beyond refined record keeping and balance books. Bookkeepers free up time in your schedule for things like building your vision, polishing workflows, and boosting your bottom line. Hiring a professional bookkeeper minimizes the room for error. With a training and experience, professional bookkeepers can help ensure you're generating accurate financial reports and data. Some bookkeepers offer tax preparation, which can be especially valuable when it comes to breaking down complex small business tax codes. In the event that the IRS or another entity audits your business, having solid bookkeeping records on hand is a huge plus. Oftentimes, the auditing process is a simple review of your records, but things can become much more challenging than necessary if your bookkeeping records are out of order. So, comparing bookkeepers and accountants. If you were to ask someone to explain the difference between bookkeepers and accountants, they'd likely say they're the same. People often talk about these two professions interchangeably, but there are key differences between them that you'll want to know before hiring a bookkeeper or other financial professional. Good bookkeepers help business owners manage their finances by documenting transactions, paying and issuing invoices, generating reports, and recording accurate financial data. Bookkeepers can also present your business financial standing. But what do all of these figures really mean, and where do they go from there? That's where an accountant comes in. Accountants use the records a bookkeeper provides and their own expertise to help build budgets, assess finances, and make business decisions. Additionally, an accountant may oversee a bookkeeper's work. So generally, an accountant's role requires more education than a high school diploma. Accountants may have a bachelor's degree in finance and training in bookkeeping roles. Of course, education depends on the individual or bookkeeping service you hire. When comparing accountants and bookkeepers, know that an accountant may also be a bookkeeper, but entry-level bookkeepers are not accountants. Familiarizing yourself with what a bookkeeper does and what accounting clerks do can help narrow down your financial needs. Bookkeepers offer support to a number of organizations, including small businesses, nonprofits, and corporations. They play a vital role in managing a business's finances by documenting transactions, generating reports, and assisting the accounting experts. When it comes to selecting a bookkeeping style, business owners have several options. Um, and if you're looking for support, and if you found this information beneficial and would like to learn more, click the link below to book a free 15-minute tax strategy session with me. Thank you and have a great weekend.